Hello everybody, my name is Gaur and today we'll learn about data visualization using Python, and then we'll try to post some of these visuals on Django website. This will be a very quick exercise. Just sorry, I do not have screen recording like this, like I had in my earlier video. Because this time I am using in Ubuntu and I didn't have all the time to to install all these softwares. If you do not have an Ubuntu, you can get it from Ubuntu website, and then just on your laptop you can just install it install it as a second operating system. So once you have an Ubuntu, then next thing you need to do is Python is already included in Ubuntu. Just to make sure that you have the latest Python version, you can install 3.7.0 from there and just follow the instruction. You will be able to fix it very quickly. After Python, there are several ways of doing the data visualization in Python, but for this tutorial I just used matplotlib. Okay, so you can also install the matplotlib like this. It's very easy. All you need to do is pip install matplotlib. Okay, and then you can also install the Django because the visual that you will create, you can then post it on our website. Okay. So let's see how all these things worked. So what I did is first thing I had to create some I did create a folder called Py, so where I have all my Python code here. So one of the code I created was bar chart. Okay, so how is this? I'll just show you what is the code of this bar chart. Okay, so this is a simple code. You will mostly you will get it in the internet, and I had to do some little bit tweaking. Like I'm just reading my data from an CSV file, and then just telling that these are my header, and this is string, this is a float or the decimal number, and then using the matplotlib function, I can just plot the bar chart quite easily. Just follow the instruction and that's it. And once I have this, I can go and run it here. So I will go back to my site. Okay. And then I need to say is that Python bar Python. Okay, that's it. And you can see this chart is now created. Now I know this is a Python script, and then you are running it and you're seeing this bar chart, but I want to do something more, so that I can create a dashboard. I can have a website where I can host multiple of these charts in one place, just like any standard reporting tool. So what I did is, for this obviously I need Django, so I installed Django and I created a project in Django. Okay, so this is my project in Django. Go to Django and then cd to my site. Now creating these projects in Django is also very easy. Just go to the Django site and then see how to create. Like after you install the Django, then you can just follow the instruction of creating a simple site, and then within the site you can create an application. Okay, so what I did is within this Django site, I created a bar chart application. So you can see it here. So this is my bar chart application. Okay, so after this I had to struggle a lot because I'm not quite familiar with all the settings that I need to do. So within the bar chart I have this site. This is the my site, and this within the my site I have this app called bar chart, and then you can see these files get automatically created when you create this app. Okay, where you need to work basically is the views.py. Okay, so in the views.py, what I did is I created these code here. So as you can see, this code is there. Now one thing that I had to because okay, these are some changes I had to do here. Because this is an HTTP page, so we need to send the response as a file. So what I'm doing essentially is I'm plotting the chart and then saving the chart output as a PNG file, and then sending this PNG file as a response. Okay, and then you need to change these URLs. Okay, and within the URLs I need to say that within my bar chart this is my views, and this is the function that I have written MPL image. Okay, alright, then bingo. If I go to my application here, so okay, let me start the I will start the server here like this. The server is started, so I can go here and I can then choose to refresh, and I can see this the bar chart here. Now this looks like a very simple exercise, but it has a very significant uses, because we now know we can use Python to create these charts, and then we also know we can actually export these charts and display this on a web page. So hope it was a very dirty and quick video, and the reason for creating this video is because many of people like us who do not know Python, who do not know Django, and the moment we hear about these terms, we are like, oh my god, what is this technologies are, we don't know it, and we are probably quite backdated. But I'm telling you, if anyone has ever worked in Unix, Shell and Perl script, picking these things are like very easy. It hardly took in an hour for me to do all this setup, and now you can see I can see my chart on my local web page. So just give it a try and then see how it works. I'm sure you will like it. Learning this visualization using Python gives you another dimension. Okay, so because you don't need to rely on an entry reporting tool. If you have data, just ping it on, run this Python code, and then create the visuals, and then export the visuals and share it on the web page.